You ever wonder why they don't text back? Why their energy changed? Why someone who once seemed so into you now feels like a stranger? What if I told you it's not them? It's the story you've been unconsciously telling yourself. Every time you wait for a message that doesn't come. Every time you see their name and feel your stomach drop. Every time you stare at your screen like it owes you closure. Sounds harsh, right? But hear me out. Because once you understand this, you'll never chase another person again. This is not about being too much or not enough. It's about alignment. Because here's the secret no one ever told you. Your energy is a broadcast, and your beliefs are the signal. If deep down you think, I'm not what they want, guess what? That becomes your reality, not because it's the truth, but because you believe it is. And your belief, it leaks into your texts. It hides behind your smile. It shows up in the way you respond, the way you wait, the way you doubt. This video, this message, is about stopping that pattern. Today, we flip the script. Because that person who's ignoring you, who ghosted you, who looked you in the eye and said, I'm not ready for something serious, they can love you. But only when you love you more than you fear losing them. So don't click away. Not yet. Because the truth you've been avoiding, it's the one that sets you free. Chapter 1. The lie you've been living. Let's start here. How many times have you looked at your phone just waiting, hoping for their name to pop up? You replay your last conversation, dissect every emoji, wonder if you came on too strong. You convince yourself they're probably just busy, that maybe if you waited a little longer or said something a little different, they'd come back. But here's the deal. When you operate from that space, from that fear, you're already losing yourself. You're not crazy. You're human. You've been taught that love is earned, that if someone pulls away, you better pull them back. That silence means you're not enough. That rejection is personal. But what if I told you it's not about what you did? What if it's about what you believe? Because beliefs, they shape everything. And if your dominant belief is that love is uncertain, that you're not lovable unless someone chooses you, you will attract people who reflect that uncertainty back to you. People aren't mind readers, but energy, it speaks louder than words ever could. And if you're silently screaming, please choose me, even when you don't say a word, they'll feel it and they'll run. Chapter 2. Energy never lies. Think about this. You ever walk into a room and feel tension? Like something just feels off, even if no one says anything? That's energy. Now apply that to your relationships. If you're sending out fear, neediness, doubt, even subtly, they pick up on it. It's not what you're texting, it's how you're texting. It's the delay before you hit send, the rereading, the analyzing, the waiting, the wondering. The internal panic masked as I'm just checking in, and it repels. Because it's not rooted in self-worth, it's rooted in fear. Now flip the script. When you operate from a place of knowing you're lovable, worthy, magnetic, that energy is impossible to ignore. Even if they don't consciously realize it, something shifts. You stop chasing, and they start noticing. That's not manipulation, that's alignment. Chapter 3. The shift that changes everything. So how do you make the shift? You change the story, the one you've been telling yourself. Instead of thinking, they don't want me, try, they're just reacting to an old version of me that didn't believe in my worth. Instead of, why did they ghost me? Say, they responded to energy I no longer carry. You start speaking to your future like it's already here. They're coming back because they feel my energy shift. They think of me every day, they just don't know why. This connection isn't gone, it's realigning. You don't say it like a wish, you say it like a fact. Chapter 4. My story, and probably yours too. Let me tell you the truth, I've been there. Ghosted, ignored, left on read. I've stared at my phone more times than I can count, hoping for a message that never came. I've questioned everything, my looks, my words, my worth. Until one day, someone said to me, what if they didn't leave you? They just responded to the version of you that forgot she was lovable. That broke me and healed me all at once. Because I knew it was true. I'd stopped believing in myself. I was trying so hard to be good enough for them, I forgot how to be enough for me. And the moment I stopped chasing, stopped seeking answers, stopped needing closure, everything shifted. They came back. But not to the version of me that doubted everything, to the version that remembered who she was. And that changed everything.